Welcome to our comparison of the RENPHO and Medcursor foot massagers. Today, we will dive into the features of these two popular models designed to relieve foot pain and enhance relaxation. Whether you're dealing with plantar fasciitis or just need a soothing massage after a long day, we've got you covered. Let's find out which one is the better choice for you. When it comes to price, the RENPHO foot massager comes in at a premium price of $199, reflecting its advanced features and technology. In contrast, the Medcursor foot massager is significantly more affordable at just $69, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for effective foot relief without breaking the bank. Another important factor is foot size capacity. The RENPHO model accommodates feet up to US men's size 12, while the Medcursor model can fit up to size 13. This makes the Medcursor a better choice for users with larger feet, ensuring comfort and usability for a wider audience. In terms of massage technology, the RENPHO foot massager offers deep kneading and 360-degree compression, making it ideal for targeted relief. On the other hand, the Medcursor model combines rolling, deep kneading, and air pressure techniques, providing a versatile massage experience. Both devices feature soothing heat, but the RENPHO's advanced technology may appeal more to those seeking a professional-grade massage. To wrap up, both the RENPHO and Medcursor foot massagers offer unique benefits tailored to different needs. The RENPHO is perfect for those seeking a premium, high-intensity massage, while the Medcursor provides excellent value and versatility at a lower price point. Whichever you choose, both models promise to deliver comfort and relief for tired feet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.